This is a demonstration of how to install a bar lock. Shown here are all the parts as supplied by Tambotech for a bar lock. The Tambotech door has been pre-drilled and the lock is assembled onto the backplate. The handle is in two pieces and there are two keepers. Remove the bar lock and parts from the back rail. Screw fix handles and backplate to the Tambotech door. Screw fix the bars, then the lock. Measure clearance required above bars for the keepers. Mark holes for keepers on side tracks. Drill and screw fix the keepers. Test lock operation. The installation is complete.